Stretch it. Jump your knees up and down. Now fold your legs. Keep your left hand slightly behind. Make a fist of your right knee. Place it between your knees. And just press your knees to your fist. घुटनों से fist के मुट्ठी के ऊपर press. Press. Relax. Press. Relax. Press. Relax. Press. Press. Relax. Last 2 rounds. Press nicely. Maintain. घुटनों को अपने मुट्ठी पे प्रेस कर दीजिए. Press your knees to your fist. Feel a gentle stretch throughout your leg. Last time. Rest. Maintain slightly longer. Keep your breathing normal. थोड़ा सा distance. Keep some distance between your feet. Place your palms outside your knees. Now with your palms, press your knees. With knees, press your palms. Resist the pressure with your knees. हथेलियां घुटनों के ऊपर, घुटने हथेलियों के ऊपर. Keep your breathing normal. Now stretch your hands nicely behind. हाथ अच्छे से पीछे. थोड़ा सा और पीछे. Take your right leg up. थोड़ा सा look up. Feel the pressure on the lower abdomen. Down. Left leg. बिल्कुल क्षमता के अनुसार. Right leg. See if you can raise it a little more up. Change. Left leg. Right leg. Left leg. Last 2 rounds on your own. अपने आप. थोड़ा सा पाँव ऊपर. Try to maintain slightly longer. Keep your breathing normal. Complete your practice. Sit in a cross leg. Mute your devices. Practice body rotation. जैसे neck rotation करते हैं, same way body को rotate करें. Press your palms to the knees. Gently bend forward. Give a little pressure to the lower abdomen. Stretch to your spine. Just maintain. Just maintain for a few seconds. Now from your right side, like this. Go back. And breathing out, gently roll your body forward. Counterclockwise reverse. Go down as much as you can. Like neck rotation, practice body rotation, good massage to your abdominal organs, good forward stretch to your spine. अगर बैक पेन नहीं है तो थोड़ा सा और आगे झुकने की कोशिश. Practice. Those of you just joined, practice 7 rounds clockwise, 7 rounds counterclockwise. Go down a little more. If you have no back pain, go down a little more. Feel the pressure on the lower abdomen, stretch your spine. Complete your breath. Place your right palm on your right shoulder. Press it down a little. थोड़ा सा नीचे की ओर दबा के. With your left palm, place it right ear. Gently bend your head to your left side. Nice. Press your shoulder down. Give a lateral stretch on the right side of your neck. Just maintain. Try to practice with the correct hand. Right hand on your right shoulder, left palm on your right ear, lateral bend to your left side. Shake. Left palm on your left shoulder. Press your shoulder a little down. With your right hand, close your left ear. Gently bend your head to your right side. Keep your hands like elbows touching the sides of your body. Make a gentle fist of your hand. And keep your elbows touching the side throughout the practice. हाथों को दूर नहीं लेके जाना. Throughout the practice, your elbows are touching the sides of your body. Slowly, as you breathe in, stretch your arms out. Bring shoulder blades at the back closer. Keep your head straight. And breathing out, gently bring your hands back to the front. Practice 4 more rounds. As slowly as you can, synchronize the practice with your breath. श्वास के साथ. Three. Try to do it as slowly as you can. Release all the stiffness from your upper back. Expand the chest. Release. And the same practice. Keep right hand on your left knee. Twist your left side. Begin with a simple, a basic practice. You twist your spine, your abdomen, your waist. Give a gentle massage to your abdominal organ. Flip. To your right side. One more time. Left. To your right. Come to the center. Now stretch your leg. Fold your right leg. दाहिने पांव को. Please practice correctly. Just follow the instructions. Fold your right leg. No? Right hand behind. दाहिना पांव fold. दाहिना हाथ पीछे. Now stretch your left hand like straight up. Stretch your left hand. If you can catch your right ankle joint with your left hand, like बाहर से. Take your hand from out. Catch your left ankle joint, right ankle joint, sorry, and twist your spine to your right side. Look over your right shoulder. Now, for some of you, it may be difficult. So just catch your knee like this. Catch your knee like this. But the correct practice is to catch your right ankle joint out. Release. Release. Right. Check. Hold left leg. Left hand behind. Stretch your right hand up. Just maintain. Now, close. Right hand outside your left ankle joint. Turn to your left side. We're going to practice one more time after this. It's an excellent practice to prevent diabetes. Gives a good pressure to the abdominal organ. Release. एक बार और. One more time. Hold right leg. Right hand behind. Left hand. Catch your right ankle joint. Check. Left leg. Left hand behind. Right hand up. Catch your left ankle joint. Twist your left side. Release. Now, please stand up. Spread your legs. Be careful. If you feel any pressure to the lower back, don't bend too much forward. Just stay in line with your shoulders. Stretch your hands up and back. Now breathing out, stretch forward. Let your hands come up towards your head side. Feel the stretch at the back of your leg. Okay. Up and back. Practice 7 and times. You can go slightly faster if you want, but you are breathing normal in the final pose. Let your hands come up each time a little more towards your head side. Feel the stretch at the lower back. Continue. Half elbows mein seedhe, corneo mein seedhe. Go down. Practice, practice, practice. Stretch your hands up. Go down. Let your hands come up towards your head side. Each time, try to bring your hands a little more closer to your head side. Good practice for your upper back, your shoulders. Practice 7 to 10 times. Let's go slightly faster like an exercise. Complete your practice. Complete your practice. Start with a simple lateral stretch. Those of you got knee pain, will continue with the same practice. Stretch your right hand like this, fingers pointing towards the ceiling. Palm mein thoda sa antar, spread your legs. Take your left hand up, stretch up towards the ceiling, and give lateral bend to your right side. Release. Change. Set your left hand. Right hand goes as you breathe in, breathing out. Lateral bend to your left side. Feel rest on the right side. Oblique. Shift. One more time. Right hand. Left hand goes up. Breathing out to your right side. Left hand is stretched out. Release. And we'll do one more. Lateral bend. Spread your legs. Gently. जिनको घुटनों में दर्द है, please do not bend like this. You just repeat the pre-practice. पहली वाली practice को कर लीजिए. Set your left hand up, and now lateral bend. Go down a little more. Hips down, knees down. Okay. And give lateral bend. One more time. Try to go down a little. In the pose, go down a little more. That's your go down a little more. Hips down. Keep your hands straight. Mommy, hands straight. Try to keep your hands straight. Don't do like this. Don't bend in the elbows. Keep your hands along your ear. Set your hands straight. Release. And now practice Surya Namaskar. Three rounds. If you do not want to practice Tadasana. Those of you are comfortable, come in front of your carpet. Once you complete practice, please lie on your back and just relax. Just lie, stretch your legs. Close your eyes. Keep your feet together. Palm mila lijiye. Practice Tadasana. Stretch your hands behind. Stretch your toes in a forward direction. पाँव के पंजे आगे की ओर, हाथ पीछे की ओर. Feel the stretch to your abdominal muscle. Close your eyes. Try to maintain slightly longer. Keep your breathing normal. Just close your eyes and visualize your body in the pose, in a palm tree pose. Your body is stretched in two opposite directions. When you want to release, breathe in, breathing out. Gently bring your hands back. And second round. Start breathing in, stretch your hands behind. Interlock your fingers, toes pointing towards you. Stretch and maintain. Stretch your joints from your toes to your fingertips. पूरे joints को stretch करें. Good practice prevent arthritis, joint pain, improve blood flow in all the joints. It also helps to remove toxins from the joint. One of the reasons for getting arthritis. Unlock your fingers, bring your hands down, relax. See that you have enough space on either side of your body. We go to practice spinal twist pose. अपने बॉडी की राइट और लेफ्ट में जगह रखें. Set your hands in line with your shoulders. Keep your feet together. Palm मिला लीजिए. Gently take your right leg up. Take it to your right side. Right leg to your right side. You can keep your right hand from inside your thigh. Take your leg up a little. पाँव को थोड़ा ऊपर किया. Keep your legs straight in the knees. Feel a little pressure at the lower back. Gently take your right leg up. Take it to your left side. Turn your face to your right side. Keep your left leg straight. Come to the center, release. Now change. Left leg up, breathe in. Breathing out, left leg to your left side with your left hand. Take your left leg a little more up. ऊपर से thigh के ऊपर से हाथों को लेफ्ट हाथ को डाल लीजिए. Take your leg up a little more. Just maintain. Take your left leg up. Take it to your right side. Turn your face to your left. Release. One more time. Right leg to your right side. Breathe in, and as you breathe out, you take your right leg to your right side. Little more up towards your right hand. Right leg up to your left side. Turn your face to your right side. Release right leg. Left leg to your left side. Keep it straight and neat. Left leg to your right side. Face to your left. Release. One last round. Right leg to your right side. Right leg up, gently take it to your left side. Turn your face to your right side. Keep the stretch to your back, twist your abdomen, your waist. Okay. Release right leg. Last time with the left leg to your left side. Nice, open up your pelvic joint. Take your leg up a little more. So, left leg to your right side. Turn your face to your left. Release. Just relax. We practice Ardha Pavanamuktasana. Feet together. Take your right leg up. Fold. Interlock your fingers either above your knees or under your knees. Just maintain for a few breaths. Take your head up. Try to bring your forehead a little closer to your right knee. One more time. Raise your head up. Once you complete with the right leg, just wait for a few seconds and then repeat the practice with the left leg. It's an important practice to strengthen our digestive system, our lower back. Do it aram se. Left leg, fold, lock your fingers either from above your knees or under your knees. Release. And release. Hold your legs in the knees. Your feet together, knees together, hands by the side of your body. Keep your head also in line with your body. As you breathe in, raise your hips up. Now slide your feet away from the body. पाँव को जितना आगे सरका सकते. Little more. Raise your hips up a little more. In the final pose, when you cannot shift your feet a little anymore, just raise your hips. Feel the stretch at the back of your legs. Pressure to the lower abdomen, lower back. Hips. Okay. Bring your feet closer to your body. Second round. Raise your hips up. Slide your feet away from the body. पाँव को आगे सरकाएंगे, बॉडी से दूर. A little more away from your body. Raise your hips up a little more. Maintain. Yeah. Again, bring your feet closer to the body. Raise your hips up. Slide your feet. Little more. Raise your hips up. Release. Stretch your legs and just relax. And now you can practice leg raises with one leg, both the legs. If you're in your monthly cycle, just do with one leg and take your leg only up to 30 degrees. Don't take your leg fully. Support your hands under your hips. So any practice that you're comfortable with without straining your lower back. You can do 90 and 10 with alternate legs. You can do 90, 60, 30 and 10 with both the legs. Keep your eyes closed. And practice few rounds deep abdominal breath. Let your abdomen rise up as you breathe in. Let your abdomen cave in as you breathe out. श्वास लेते हुए पेट ऊपर, श्वास छोड़ते हुए पेट पूरी तरह से अंदर. Relax. Relax in Shavasana with deep abdominal breathing. Turn to one side. Take the support of your hand. Thank you. Sit. Sit in comfortable pose. We're going to practice Kapalbhati. We're going to practice Kapalbhati with each nostril. Slight variation will practice. Close your right nostril with your thumb. Practice 10 strokes of Kapalbhati only through your left. You breathe in, start. After 10 strokes, breathe in through left, breathe out through left. Close left, 10 strokes of Kapalbhati only through your right. Breathe in, start. Breathe in through right, breathe out through right. This completes one round. Same way, continue the practice. You can maintain your own pace. Close right, 10 strokes through left. Then you take a deep breath in through left, breathe out through left. And then you change and practice to the right. 10 strokes through right nostril. Breathe in through right, breathe out through right. Practice few more rounds. Keep your back straight. Keep your chest nicely expanded. Practice last 2 rounds. Complete your practice. Once you complete your practice, then we practice Anulom Vilom. Close your right nostril. Those two fingers, gently place them at the eyebrow center, the Asya chakra, without any sound. Breathe in through left, close left nostril. Just hold for 2-3 seconds. And then you open right nostril, breathe out. Expand your chest, breathe in through right, close right, open left. Close, open right. Breathe in through right, close right, open. Continue the practice. Breathe in, close both the nostrils for 2-3 seconds. Breathe out to the other. Complete the practice. We're going to practice Bhramari Pranayama. Check. Keep your little fingers at the base of your nose. The ring finger, the middle fingers at the socket of your eye. अपने आंखों के जो socket है उस पे रखिए. Index finger, gently place them over your eyebrows. With your thumb, close your ears. Anytime you feel any discomfort with your hand position, you can bring your hands down and continue the practice. Bhramari Pranayama करेंगे. Take a deep breath in. Breathing. Last round. Open your arms. Lie on your back for Shavasana. Keep comfortable distance between your legs. Relax right leg. Relax your left. Relax the lower back, the middle back, the upper back, the back of your neck, the back of your head. Relax the top of your head. Relax your forehead. See that you carry no folds, no creases, no tension or forehead. Relax your eyebrows. Keep your eyes gently closed. And keep a gentle smile on your face to relax your facial muscles. Relax your throat. Relax your chest. Keep your abdominal muscles loose and relaxed. Now gently shift your attention from your body to your breath. Bring your attention to the base of your nostrils. पूरा ध्यान अपनी नासिका की तरफ. Breathing in, your breath is slightly cool, and as it gently flows out of the nostrils, your breath is slightly warm. श्वास लेते हुए श्वास की ठंडी और नासिका से बाहर आते हुए श्वास हल्की सी गर्म. Keep your awareness on this subtle temperature difference in your breath each time you breathe in and breathe out. Breathing in, your breath is cool. Breathing out, your breath is slightly warm. Keeping your eyes closed, bring your attention to your body. Move your toes, gently move your legs, move your fingers, move your hands. Turn your head from side to side. Stretch your hands behind. Turn to one side. Bring your hands back and turn to one side. Take the support of your hands, gently sit up. Blend the class with the Shanti path. Fold hands in Namaskar Mudra. Asatoma Satgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityurma Amritam Gamaya Sarvesham Satyam Bhavati Sarvesham Shanti Bhavati Sarvesham Purnam Bhavati Sarvesham Mangalam Bhavati Loka Samasta Shrutinam Om Triambakam Yajamaham Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvaritam Yavandhanat Mrityurmakshirmamritat Om Shanti 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 Hari. Do palming. And have a nice weekend. See you all on Monday. Bye.
Bye, Chitra. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Have a nice weekend.
Bye. Same to you. Bye.